Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your PHILIPS Fidelio L4. You have to start by open the application and now go to sound effect. Then click at the custom one and now make the best one for you. I guess something like this. It's okay for me, but it's up to you. When you finish, just go back and if you can see, it changed. Now, if you don't like it, you just click on the reset button right here and then click OK. And we have it by default. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!